Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Facebook and signing in. Once you're on the main screen, tap the menu icon. From there, go to Settings and Privacy and then Settings. Make sure to locate either Privacy or Location in the list because check-in controls are grouped there. Once done, you'll see Location, Check-in, and Tagging options. This is where you begin adjusting how and when Facebook uses your location for check-ins. You now control the mechanics. First, check your device's location permissions and set Facebook to always while using or never depending on privacy needs. Back in Facebook, open check-in or location settings and select who can see your check-ins, public, friends, only me, or custom. Then decide whether Facebook can suggest nearby places or tag you automatically. Disabling suggestions reduces accidental check-ins. Make sure to save changes so the app follows your updated preferences. Finish by testing. Create a private check-in post to confirm settings behave as expected. If the location is inaccurate, toggle your device GPS off and on, then refresh the Facebook app. This often forces a location update. If check-ins still misbehave, revoke Facebook's location permission and grant it again, or reinstall the app to clear cached problems. One troubleshooting tip: ensure battery saver modes are off, because they can restrict location updates and prevent accurate check-ins.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.